Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating your very own Flash token on both the ERC20 and TRC20 networks. For this project, you'll need a certain amount of ETH. I recommend starting with 0.12 ETH. With this investment, we can generate approximately 70,000 Flash USDT tokens. Let's dive in. First, open Remix and create a new file named usdt.sol. Paste the code provided in the description into this file. Next, navigate to the compilation section and select version 0.6.6 plus before clicking the compile button. Once compiled successfully, we can move on. Now, let's deploy our contract. Begin by connecting your wallet. I suggest using Wallet Connect, and MetaMask tends to work best for this purpose as I've encountered issues with other wallets in the past. In the token name field, enter the name of your token. I'll use USDT as an example. For the token symbol, specify the network type. I'll input ERC20 here. Click the Transact button, and you'll see a window pop up where you should round your amount to the nearest whole number to avoid any gas-related errors during transaction confirmation. Now, let's wait for the confirmation. Great. The transaction was successful and we've created our contract. To verify its legitimacy, I'll show you the contract details. Now we need to fund our contract. Copy your contract address and transfer 0.12 ETH to it. Just a reminder. Sending less than this amount may lead to complications. We'll wait for the transaction confirmation. Once confirmed, we're almost done. We need to check if the balance is displayed. Click the Start button and again round the value to a whole number before confirming the transaction. Now we can see that our tokens have been successfully created. The last step is to withdraw them. Just click Withdraw and follow the same steps as before. After waiting for confirmation, let's check our balance one last time. We can see that our tokens are created successfully. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram at JamesFlash01.